We are not mascots in this place, brothers and sisters. We are not clowns to entertain you and to give you messages that will entice your ears for you to keep coming back. That is not the message that we have in this place. We will speak about sin. We will speak about repentance. We will speak about baptism. We will speak about righteousness and holiness and salvation. That's it. That is the message. And if you are expecting next week, brothers and sisters, that you get a better message than this, you will not have it. You will not have it. When you come next week, brothers and sisters, you will be born. Because you will receive